What happened in the California social media addiction trial today, and why does this verdict matter so much? Today, a California jury found Meta and Google liable in a landmark social media addiction trial and awarded $3 million in damages to a young woman who alleged that Instagram and YouTube contributed to serious mental health harm. The jury also found conduct that can support punitive damages, which means this case could have even broader consequences beyond this initial verdict. I'm attorney Tracy Paulson, founder of Rightful Legal. This trial is one of the most important social media trial verdicts to date because it goes directly to a question families, lawyers, and regulators have been asking for years. Can social media companies be held legally responsible when platform design allegedly encourages addictive use and contributes to harm in young users? That is what makes this case so significant. The core issue is not just content. It was whether these platforms were designed in a way that kept young users engaged compulsively, encouraged repeated use, and created foreseeable risks of harm. The jury allocated 70% of responsibility to Meta and 30% to Google. But the larger impact of this California verdict is that it may help define how courts and juries evaluate social media addiction claims going forward, and there are thousands. This verdict also comes at a critical time. Just yesterday, a New Mexico jury delivered another major verdict against Meta in a case involving child safety and mental health related allegations. So now, in back-to-back cases, juries in 2 different states have delivered serious legal setbacks tied to claims of youth harm and platform-related risk. This matters nationally because this California social media addiction trial may influence how future lawsuits are filed, how lawyers present claims involving addictive design and youth mental health, and how major technology companies evaluate legal exposure tied to the way these products are built. It may also increase pressure on big tech to re-examine design features that are alleged to maximize engagement at the expense of safety, especially for young users. The broader message is clear, however. Social media addiction, particularly involving young people, minors, and teenagers, is no longer just a policy debate or a public health issue. It is now being tested in courts under serious legal theories, including product liability, negligence, and consumer protection claims. And when juries are willing to examine whether platform design created foreseeable harm, the consequences can reach far beyond a single plaintiff or a single verdict. That is why today's California verdict may become one of the most closely watched legal developments in a broader litigation against social media companies. It's not just about what happened in one courtroom. It's about what this case may signal for future of social media platform design, the future of youth safety litigation, and the future of legal exposure facing big tech companies. If you have questions or about your potential case or this, you can reach me directly at 617-821-5856. If you found this informative or helpful, please like or share. Thank you so much.